Hello my friends, hello, hello, hello. We are in the garden and I wanted to show y'all what we got going on here and ask some questions for those of you who know more about plants than I do, which is probably a lot of people because I don't know a lot about plants. But our poinsettia that we got during the holiday time is looking okay. It's definitely deteriorating slowly and I'm not quite sure what we need to do make it a little bit better. It's been repotted, so yeah, I'm not sure. We may just have to wait and see on that one. Our mint here is doing great. Lots of new growth. Happy mint. Our little Goldie here, which is, let's see, trying to, there we go. Goldcrest false aurelia. It's doing okay, but it needs to be repotted in a bigger pot so it can flourish. This little Christmas cactus is sad and I don't know how to help it. I don't know what to do for it, but as you can see, actually, I can tell you it's probably being overwatered. Because, yeah, it looks like it's been drowned. Our little mother of thousands are doing great. We have a bunch of new growth, as you can see. So those are doing fine. Up here is our rosemary, which is doing okay. Yeah, it's still got water, so it's doing okie dokie. And our strawberry, oh my gosh. Our strawberry has so much growth going on. So much new growth. And same thing with this little strawberry plant. Right here. It's got new growth happening. And then this one has a lot of new growth as well. Yay for strawberries. Over here we have some forget-me-nots. We started by planting a giant sunflower seed, but that never popped. So I planted forget-me-nots, and they're doing okay. They're wanting to live. There's lots of new growth, and yeah, I'm really happy with their progress. Okay, and then over here is our lemon balm. Super happy. It's doing good. Lots of new growth. So I'm excited for the lemon balm. I think in the spring I'm going to plant the lemon balm outside. I know it has a tendency to go crazy. I'm prepared for that. Well, I'm kind of prepared for that. Our marigolds here are so happy. Look how happy and strong they are. They are super duper happy. I'm really proud of how they're coming along. I'm not sure how to thin them out properly. So if you have any marigold tips or hints, please let me know in the comment section because I want them to do well and I don't want to mess them up. So I could use a little guidance on how to transplant these or what to do. Maybe just thin them out. I don't really know, but I don't want to do it until I have information from someone who does know more than I. And then over here we have 4 houseplant cuttings that are doing really well. This one keeps blooming. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of plants these are, but I do know they're pretty and they're doing really, really well. This one we put in the pot already had some roots going, so I know it's doing amazing. And then down here is our other Christmas cactus. And it's definitely doing better than the littler one. So, if you could give me some advice on thinning out the marigolds. Sorry for my hand, I have a little bit of tremors today. Thinning out the marigold information would be great. And then I think we just need to lower the watering on the small Christmas cactus. Everything else I think is doing good. Like I said, she's going to get transplanted probably this weekend maybe. And these two need to be transplanted into something bigger. That'll happen also when we do this one. Because I'm thinking of putting this one in that pot when that pot's freed up. So that is our garden as of right now. I'm pretty happy with that. I love seeing it every day. They're on a 12-hour light cycle from 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. is when they're the little grow lights are on for them. So yeah, if you have any advice, tips, hints, information, criticisms, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!